What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be going over more in depth on how to use coupon codes and generally what you want to use them for. So the first thing that you guys want to do when you come into your Amazon Seller Central account, all you have to do is go under to advertising, then go to promotions. And then to create your coupon codes, all you have to do is create under percentage off here. Alright, so what we're gonna do is I'm gonna go through step by step what you guys have to do. Now, when you do your coupon codes, depending on the scenario, like if you're going to use coupon codes for giveaways, you want to have 90% off or up coupon codes. That way, when you do your official giveaways through like Viral Launch or ZonJump, you actually are going to be able to give away as many units as possible, because of course the higher your coupon code, the more likely people are going to use it and buy your product. So the first thing we're going to cover is buyer purchases, at least quantity of these items. So all we wanted to do is just have one there, that's fine. Purchased items. You can create new product selection, choose your product, or do an entire catalog. You can just do entire catalog, that's fine. Now, of course, if you have different products on here, you can also, select your own product that you want to have this for. And then buyer gets % off. So you can keep this the same. So if we were doing giveaways for Facebook ads, or we're doing it through Viral Launch or ZonJump, we want to have 90% off at least. And then if you watch my previous video, I talked about how I had like 95% off coupon codes, and I was able to give away like 37 units. And I had to cut it off literally because the fees, and then I didn't want to give away too many units as well. I just wanted to test it out, see what happens. But I was able to do all that for like $4.76. So Facebook ads plus these coupon codes is very, very powerful. I suggest you guys use that. Now the next thing, of course, if you want to get people to leave a review for your product, you have to have at least well, they can leave a verified or an unverified review. It's just that if the review is 30%, or no, if it's 40% or above, that means that you guys are probably going to get a unverified review. And if it's 40% or below, like anything under 40%, then that means the product is not going to get a verified review. It's going to get an unverified review. So just keep that in mind, guys. Of course, that's based off of what other sellers have seen. So percentage off applies to purchase items. So you guys are good here. And then start date. Now, whenever these coupon codes are created, they are it takes like 4 hours for them to be like go active. So all I have to do is start date. So today's the 24th. And then let's see here. You guys can use the we can start it at, let's see. You can start at 2 p.m. That's just basically how Amazon registers it when it comes to generating these coupon codes. It just takes 4 hours. So set it up as soon as you can. Now end date, you can pick whatever end date. As long as I'd say just put it like a month later or a month down. That way, that if you just put like a week or something like that, you don't have to worry about forgetting about it when you're doing your giveaways in the middle of your giveaways, and then you lose a lot of money. So we don't want that. So 8/24, that's fine. Of course, you can always come back, edit it, and then change it if you want. And then tracking ID, and then internal description. So I'll just leave it like that. And then of course down here, make sure this is the most important thing right here, because if you don't have this right, people can literally just buy out your whole entire inventory for $1 per unit. Especially if you're using 90% off or up coupon codes. So make sure this is single use, and make sure this is checked off right here. And then claim code combinability exclusive. And then from there, all you guys have to do is click on review. Let me see here. Just put test. And then you can click on review, and then of course once it gets downloaded and everything, or once the 4 hours has passed, you can go back to manage promotions here. all I have to do to manage your promotions, after the 4 hours, just click over here, and then right here it'll show up right down here, and then all I have to do is click on it. So I'll just click on this one, and then you just have to scroll all the way down, or no, wait, hold on. Wait, let's go back here. Manage promotions, and then view, and then manage claim codes. And all I have to do is just say, whatever you want to call it. So if we're using Facebook ads, Facebook ad codes, and then quantity. So if you're trying to give away, if you're trying to give away like 150 units, I suggest you guys go for 300 units just in case, just to be safe, on the safe side. There's never too many coupon codes that you can generate, as long as people don't have unauthorized access to those additional coupon codes. So always go over the amount that you actually think you need. So I'm probably going to give away like 120 units or so. So I'm probably going to, so I literally just created a list of like 500 just in case. So you can just enter in whatever that is and then create. And then once you guys create that, it'll download right here, or it'll generate right here, and then all I have to do is click download when it is done. So I'm not going to do that right now because I don't want to confuse myself when I come back into here and try to download other coupon codes. So with that being said, guys, it's really simple, really easy to use. Just the main thing that you guys have to make sure you do is have the just make sure that when you're creating your coupon codes that you are not you're making sure they're single use and for only like one redemption, so that way other people can't jump on your coupon codes and then use all of them to purchase your whole entire inventory, because that would suck. And we spent you spent already a lot of money on this as it is. So with that being said, guys, this video is very simple, very explanatory. Hopefully you guys understand how to exactly do coupon codes and where to use them. Now when you do your coupon codes for like if you wanted to get a verified review, like I said, just 40% or below off for your coupon codes. And then if you want to have unverified reviews, like anything above that is going to be unverified, and then below that would be verified. So just keep that in mind, guys. Now if you want to be extra safe on the safe side, I suggest you guys do like 30% coupon codes off. And the best way you can distribute these is just get people through Facebook to do them. There's still tons of people that are probably be interested in purchasing your product. Of course, not as many people that'd be interested if there was like a 95% off coupon code. So with that being said, guys, make sure you like down below, make sure you subscribe, make sure you comment on what you want to see next. And if you guys did not know, I have tons of templates you guys can use in the description, how to create a product description, how to have amazing bullet points, also how to talk to your suppliers, and how to do Amazon FBA step 1 through 10, because I know a lot of times when you have a whole bunch of gurus and stuff on YouTube talking about how do you do Amazon, it can get kind of confusing sometimes. So it's good to have like a hard copy or a virtual copy of what exactly you have to do to get started. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.